I received this wonderful HD flip video camera for Christmas, and I wanted to share my love of my reef tank and saltwater fish with a lot of folks, and still pictures don't quite cut it. So this is my little sharing time of my reef tank, which is 125 gallon plus the sump underneath and everything else. It's total about 140 gallons of water circulating. The tank itself is 6 feet long and about 22 inches deep. I'm forgetting my measurements, and about 18 inches from front to back. The lighting, which I just changed, is with metal halide lights, and these are 20,000 K, which it gives off a bluish light and shows the colors much more vividly. You have to change them once a year, and so I've just put them in. I'm just giving you a broad view here. I'll come in a little closer to some of the fish we have. This is a Naso tang, this beautiful gray tang. And swimming right behind is a Pacific Regal tang, the blue, and a yellow tang. This lovely red fish scooting away is my flame angel, and he's an algae eater. And right there below is a Fiji foxface, and they're also algae eaters. Wonderful. Back up in the corner behind the Corelia water circulator, purple and yellow, is called a Royal Gramma. And then right at the very top is a PJ Cardinal. I guess so named because the back side of it looks like a pair of pajamas. I have a variety of mushrooms. Focusing in a little closer is a coral beauty, another angelfish that is primarily an algae eater. This is my wonderful maroon clownfish. I have 3 anemones in the tank, and the clown tends to all 3. This is the pink bubble tip. Up at the top is a rose red bubble tip anemone, and down here is my wonderful carpet anemone, a green color. I have some leather corals next to it. There's the tang, who seems to be the bully of the tank. Some more leather coral. This is off to the right. Mushrooms, I forget all the names of the mushrooms. Some more soft corals and mushrooms in the back. Love the purples and blues of these. I have a few little blue damselfish. They were the ones that started the tank off over a year and a half ago, and they're only there because I can't catch them to remove them, but they're harmless. And that very quick moving little fish was a 6-line wrasse. Here's my cleaner shrimp. Poking out of the rock here is a snowflake eel. They're all waiting for their breakfast, lunch, dinner, which has not arrived yet. This big fellow here is called an elephant ear mushroom. I have more mushrooms over here. There is my blue chin triggerfish, who likes to rearrange all the rocks in the tank. And here is a green leather coral back in the left corner, and then a smaller tan leather coral. I didn't have much success with clams, I'm sorry to say. There's a remnant of one. I have a variety of snails. There's a star snail in there. And my eel is wonderful. He's a tiny little guy, just getting started. I'll take you to my other tank in a minute. Back hiding, because he's camera shy, is a yellow tang. And up at the top of the reef is called oscillating xenia. And that wave-like motion is simply the breathing aspect of the xenia. It's another soft coral. Spreads itself. It started off as one tiny little stalk about the size of this one underneath it, and from that all of this has grown in the last year and a half. It has even spread over behind this rock. There's my peppermint wrasse scooting along. The wrasses clean up in the sand and get all the junk out of the sand, and plus they eat like pigs. These fish have given me hours of enjoyment and are very soothing to the soul, and I've really enjoyed the tank a lot. I'm backing up now so that you can get an overall view of the tank as one entity. And you can see that the flow and motion, color, light, It's all very, very soothing. If you hear a louder whir in the background, that's simply the fan from the light system, which gets quite hot. On top, I have my wonderful little octopus that I got from the Seattle Aquarium. I don't have the light on that, and I love him. So cute. One person thought it was real and that it was got out of the tank. It made me laugh. And then I have my little Webkins Humu Humu trigger that my granddaughters gave me sitting on the top. And also have a lovely piece of art glass that I simply adore, and that reminds me of a large ray, manta ray or stingray, and so I mounted that on the wall directly above the tank. It's one of my favorite pieces. I hope you've enjoyed this.